Okay, so I'm back with my Darn Good Yarn unboxing. But I want to start, it's been a while, and one of my last videos I was talking about that I had read that people were complaining about the Darn Good Yarn box because they sent a project and then you didn't have enough yarn to complete that project. Now, I haven't done very many. Okay, I've done one. I've completed one of my yarn boxes that I have at home. But again, here's the picture of what they sent, and here's my finished project, which I had extra yarn even, and it fits just fine. I think this is a little too hippie for me, a little too hipster. I think somebody younger needs it, so I'm gonna find some of my younger friends and pass this along. But I had plenty of yarn, even extra, and this is the purple silk yarn. It's so soft. So maybe they had a bad experience, but my first experience making the project worked out just fine. Okay, so now we're gonna go with my Darn Good Yarn unboxing. Just got it. Just walked down to the mailbox. So okay, so first thing you see when you open it is this lovely yarn. Look at how cool that is. Pink flamingo recycled silk. Gorgeous. And this awesome bag. That is so cool. You can see the designs on it. Yeah. Just a nice bag to keep your crochet needles in. I crochet, don't knit. And then the little booklet that tells us about the project and the needle and hook case that they sent. And the projects for this time is a treasure keeper pouch, which looks a little bit like the old bags that the Dungeons and Dragons kids would use to hold their dice if they didn't have a Crown Royal bag. Or we have a headband. So we have two options, and there's knitting options as well. Knitting's too hard for me. I go with crocheting. So that's it.